Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hoping you are all fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, today we are discussing exercise 1.5. Before solving the question of exercise 5, there is two important things are there: determinant of a matrix and adjoint of a matrix. First of all, we are discussing about determinant of a matrix. For example, I have a matrix A which is equal to 1 minus 2 1 3. Students, determinant of A is denoted by det of A or A mod. Whenever we have to find out the determinant of a matrix, first of all you have to change the sign of square matrix in the form of straight line. How? 1 minus 2 1 3. Then you have to find out the determinant of a matrix. For finding the determinant of a matrix, first of all we have to multiply the diagonal entities, and these are 1 multiplied by 3. After this you have to put the sign of minus. Then you have to multiply the rest of the entities, and which are 1 minus 2. Now after solving, it is equal to 3 ones are 3, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, and by adding 3 and 2 the answer is 5. So the determinant of the given matrix A is equal to 5. Now the next topic is adjoint of a matrix. For finding the adjoint of a matrix, I am having matrix B which is equal to 1 4 3 2. The adjoint of a square matrix B is obtained by interchanging the diagonal entities and changing the sign of the other entities. Square matrix means the number of rows should be equal to the number of columns. So how we can find out the adjoint of a matrix? It is represented by ADJ B, which is equal to, first of all we have to change the place of the diagonal entities. It goes to 2 1. Then we have to change the sign of the rest of the entities, which are 3 and 4. There is plus 3 goes to minus 3, and plus 4 goes to minus 4. It is called adjoint of B. Question number 1 of exercise 1.5 is find the determinant of a following matrices. The part 1, which is equal to A is equal to minus 1 2 1 0. Determinant of A is represented by A mod, and after this we have to change the sign of brackets in the form of straight lines 1 0. Now first of all we have to multiply the diagonal entries, which are minus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 1. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0, and 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 2, and finally the answer is minus 2. Now part number 2 is B is equal to 1 2 3 minus 2. Similarly, for finding the determinant of B, it is represented by B mod, and after this we have to change the sign of brackets in the form of straight line 1 2 3 minus 2. By solving, it is equal to 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 1 is equal to minus 2, minus 3 2s are 6. By adding it is equal to minus 8. The determinant of the matrix B is equal to minus 8. Now the third part, which is equal to C is equal to 3 3 2 2. The determinant of the C is equal to, first of all we have to multiply the diagonal entries, which are is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Then there is a sign of subtraction. Then the rest of the entries all also 3 into 2. Then we have to multiply by 3 with 2. By multiplying 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Then minus 3 2s are 6. By adding 6 minus 6, answer is 0. Now move on part number 4, which is equal to D is equal to 3 2 1 4. Determinant of D is equal to, first of all we have to multiply the diagonal entries, which is equal to 3 into 4. Then there is a sign of minus. After this the rest of the entries are 1 into 2. Now we have to multiply 3 with 4 is equal to 12. 2 1s are 2. By adding 12 minus 2, answer is 10. Determinant of D is equal to 10. Friends, now question number 2 is related to singular and non-singular matrix. First of all, I want to tell you what is singular matrix. When the determinant of the given square matrix is equal to 0, then it is called singular matrix. Means A determinant is equal to 0. And what is non-singular? When the determinant of square matrix is equal to not 0, it is called non-singular matrix, as A determinant is equal to not 0. The first one is condition for singular matrix and the second condition is for non-singular matrix. For example, I am having matrix A, which is equal to 1 0 2 0. Now by taking the determinant, which is equal to 1 0 2 0, 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0, 1 zeros are 0 minus 2 zeros are 0. The answer is 0. So the matrix A is singular. Now for non-singular, I am having a matrix which is equal to A 1 0 1 2. Now by taking determinant, which is equal to 1 0 1 2, and by solving it is equal to 1 into 2 minus 0 into 1, and finally the answer is 2 minus 0 and answer is 2, which is not equal to 0. So the matrix A is non-singular. Now question number 2 is, find which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular. I am having part A, which is equal to, A is equal to 3 2 6 4. For finding the singular and non-singular matrix, first of all we have to take the determinant, and determinant which is equal to 3 into 4 minus 2 into 6, 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. Answer is 0. So A is singular. Now move on part number 2. Here is B is equal to 4 3 1 2, and by taking the determinant of B, which is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3, and the answer is 5, as 5 not equal to 0. So the matrix B is non-singular. Students, I am just taking part 1 and 2. Rest of the 2 parts are also same. You can, if you are having any confusion in these 2 parts, you can check it from your PDF. Now there is question number 3. Students, question number 3 is very important. In this question we have to find out the multiplicative inverse if exist of each. If exist mean, Students, when the determinant of the given matrix is equal to 0, we are not able to find out the multiplicative inverse of the given matrix. Means for finding out the multiplicative inverse of the given matrix, the matrix should be singular. And now move on part number 1, which is equal to A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0. The formula of multiplicative inverse is represented by A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. You know very well what how we can find out the adjoint and how we can find out the determinant. Students, first of all we have to check either we can find out the multiplicative inverse of the given matrix A or not. For this, first of all we have to find out the determinant of A. I am having A which is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, and determinant is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1 into 0, minus 2 into 3. By solving, answer is minus 1, 0 into 0, minus 3 2s are 6. Answer is minus 6. It means it is a singular matrix and we can find out the multiplicative inverse of matrix A. So for this, now we want adjoint of matrix A. A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, and adjoint of the matrix is equal to, we have to change the place of the diagonal entries and it goes to 0, minus 1, and we have to change the sign of the rest of the entries and which is goes to minus 3, minus 2. Now I am writing formula again, which is equal to A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. Adjoint of A divided by A determinant. Now we have to put the values in the formulas. We are having a adjoint which is equal to 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 divided by a determinant of the matrix which is equal to minus 6. Now simply we have to divide each entry by minus 6. 0 by minus 6, minus 3 by minus 6, minus 2 by minus 6, and minus 1 divided by minus 6. After simplifying, the answer is 0 divided by a number, you know very well, 0. Minus cancel with minus and answer is 1 by 3 because 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Minus cancel with minus, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Finally, answer is 1 by 2. Minus cancel with minus and 1 by 6 remains as it is. So, 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6 is the answer of multiplicative inverse of A. Now there is part number 4 which is very important, which is equal to D is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 and 2. You know very well the formula of multiplicative inverse, which is equal to D inverse is equal to adjoint of D divided by D determinant. Students, first of all we have to find out the determinant, and which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3 by 4. 2 is cancelled with 2 and answer is 1 minus 3 by 4. Now here we have to solve it by taking the LCM. LCM is 4. 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1 by 4. This is the determinant of matrix D. Now we have to find out the adjoint of D, and which is equal to G. We have to change the place of the diagonal entries. It goes to 2 1 by 2, and we have to change the sign of rest of the entries. 3 by 4 goes to minus 3 by 4 and 1 goes to minus 1. Now the formula is equal to D inverse is equal to adjoint of D divided by D determinant. Now we have to put the values in the formula. Adjoint of D is equal to 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 and 1 by 2 divided by D determinant is equal to 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 in the form of fraction, it becomes the reciprocal, and we can write it 4 by 1 into 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply 4 with each entries. It goes to 4 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4, 4 multiplied by minus 1 and 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. By simplifying, it is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 4, and by simplifying 4 cancel with 4 and it is equal to minus 3, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and answer is 2. Multiplicative of D inverse is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 3 and 2. Okay students, this is all about the today's lecture. You have to do the practice of these questions on your rough registers, as well as you have to copy the given task on your neat folders from the given PDF. Okay, Allah Hafiz.